Hey guys, in this quick 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to mark an invoice as paid in Xero. Fast, easy, and accurate in under 90 seconds. First, log into your Xero dashboard and go to the Business tab. Click Invoices, then select the invoice you want to mark as paid. On the top right, hit the Add Payment button. Now, enter the amount received, the date of payment, and choose the bank account where the money was deposited. If the payment matches a bank transaction, Xero will automatically suggest a match. Just click OK to confirm. Once saved, you'll see the invoice status change to paid, and the payment will appear in your reports and bank reconciliation. If it's a partial payment, you can add another one later until it's fully settled. And that's it, you've just marked your invoice as paid in Xero 2025. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick business tutorials every week.